In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs in Airtable. Think of tabs as the separate tables that live across the top of your workspace. Each one organizes a different slice of your information, like projects, tasks, or contacts. We'll walk through creating a new tab and entering your first record so you can get working right away. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click Create. From the options that appear, choose App. This opens the area where you can add new building blocks to your workspace. Next, click Add or Import. Here, Airtable gives you a few ways to set up your tab. You can add a blank table if you want full control, use Build with Omni to let Airtable suggest a structure, or add from other sources if you're bringing in data from somewhere else. For this walkthrough, click Start from Scratch so we begin with a clean slate. Give your new table a clear descriptive name. Short, specific names make your tabs easy to scan later. If you see a search box or prompt to find a term, use it to quickly locate a label or concept that matches what this table is about. This can help with organization and consistency. When you're happy with the name and any selections you've made, click Save to create the tab. You're now looking at your new table. Let's add your first record so you can see how it works. Click into the first cell in the primary column and type in the name. This is the main identifier for each record, so make it unique and easy to recognize. In the next column, type in notes. Use this space for context, details, or anything you want to remember later. You can keep it short or add a few sentences. Move to the S&E field and choose the person responsible. If your workspace includes collaborators, you'll see them listed. Pick the right one so ownership is clear. Finally, choose the status. Select the option that best reflects where this item stands right now, like not started, in progress, or done. Consistent status choices make filtering and reporting much more useful. That's it. Your tab is created, named, and already holding meaningful data. As you add more tabs, keep names consistent and focused, and use fields like assignee and status to drive accountability and visibility. You can switch between tabs at the top of your screen anytime to navigate your information quickly. With this simple flow, you'll keep your Airtable workspace organized, searchable, and easy for your team to use.